Differentiate the following function with respect to x. The function is under root x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Let this function be y, hence, and take natural logarithm on both the sides. We get log y equals to 1 by 2 of log x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. During opening of logarithm, keep these identities in mind. Log AB is equals to log A plus log B. Log A by B is equals to log A minus log B, and log A to the power n is equals to n log A. Using these properties of log, we open the logarithm. Log y is equals to 1 by 2 log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2 minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. Differentiating the whole with respect to x, we get d by dx of log y is equals to 1 by 2 d by dx of log x minus 1 plus d by dx of log x minus 2 minus d by dx of log x minus 3 minus d by dx of log x minus 4 minus d by dx of log x minus 5. Differentiation of log d by dx of log x minus any constant term is equals to 1 upon x minus a. Using this, 1 by y dy by dx equals to 1 by 2 into d by dx of log x minus 1 is 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 minus x by 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. Hence, dy cross multiplication of y, we get dy by dx equals to y by 2 into x1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. Putting the value of y, we get dy by dx equals to 1 by 2 under root this whole y into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5, which is the final answer. Thank you.